Hi guys, you're with me, Explore with Seth. Today we are at Mantigaria in Baixachiado. It's a Portuguese custard piece factory and they are also one of the best pastel nata you can get in Lisbon. So we are in, let's see. Obrigado. Okay, so you can see pastel nata, you can see the factory, you can see everyone is working here. Wow, I can smell such a nice smell. Cool. So everyone seems busy. She is trying to put the cups. People are taking photos. Wow. Pastel nata. It's a traditional food. This was created before 18th century by the Catholic monk, you know. So it's a fantastic thing to explore. This is how they prepare the natas. I think he will cover that up. Yes. It's such a cool place, you know. I mean, where you can eat your pastel nata, you can have coffee while watching the bakers do their things. It's a definitely worth a visit if you want to see how they are made, you know. And it is very close to the metro station Baixachiado, just 5-minute walk from there. Cool. I like this place. So she's preparing the dough now, filling the cups. It's all a preparation. It's all because of pastel nata. It's all because of the taste. So now he's preparing the egg tart, mixing it up. Nice. And she's trying to make that bowl empty. Here it is. This is how it looks. The tart's ingredients are very simple. A puff pastry filled with a custard made of cream, eggs yolk, sugar flour and lemon zest. And after all these, you know, it's pastel nata. So you have to taste this. It looks so nice. Okay, now it's in the oven. It's on the preparation. It's ready to take it out. This is how it looks like, pastel nata. Pastel nata. Wow, I'm ready to eat that. Putting some sugar and putting a little bit of cinnamon, and it's ready. Awesome.